Please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also follow us on Facebook page for any latest updates. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Nazratullah Nasri and welcome to Afghan Tech Point. Today we're going to be learning how to create Gmail account in PC. So let's get started. First, you need to come down to the browser and open a Gmail account. And then create an account. Here we have to type up our username and then our last name. And then we have to type up our password. And then hit next. That username is taken already. Try another one. So we're going to try another one, and we're going to select one of our choices over here, and then we're going to hit next. Once we're done over there, you guys can say the password or never. So I'm going to say never, and then I'm going to type up my phone number over here, which is 764821598. And then I'm going to receive a code in my phone number. I'm going to type that in. And then I'm going to hit verify button. You guys can add a recovery email if you guys have. So if something happens tomorrow, you can't open up your account, then you can definitely add up the recovery, and that will help you out to recover your account. So I'm going to type in my email there, and then date of birth and your birthday, your gender, and then you're going to hit next. You guys can skip this, or yes, I'm in. And then come down and then hit I agree. It's very simple, guys. This is how you create your Gmail account in PC in a few steps. This is it, guys. Our Gmail account is created. Now you guys can send, receive, and do anything you guys want with your Gmail account. And if you try to sign out, you guys can always come over here and sign out your email. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please don't make sure to subscribe and comment below. Until then, see you.